Careful hygiene is central to everyday working life and the practice. The challenge? During treatment, contamination often occurs, which is not visible to the eye.
Was viele meiner Kollegen vielleicht nicht wissen, ist, dass Instrumente trotz manueller Aufbereitung häufig noch stark verschmutzt bleiben.
The Sirona hygiene workflow begins right at the treatment center, immediately following treatment. For time-saving and 100% reliable processing of instruments, many practices trust DAC Universal. It handles all steps in a single device. With the push of a button, the entire processing procedure is performed automatically. During this time, you can get on with other tasks. With the flex lid, ultrasonic instruments and multifunction syringe nozzles can be easily reprocessed. The DAC Universal processing procedure can be reproduced at any time. Hygiene regulations are thus easily complied with. For sterilization in the case of critical instruments, the instruments are first packaged and sealed with the ZeroSeal Premium device. The Class B sterilizer, DAC Premium, satisfies the most stringent demands in terms of hygiene and user-friendliness.
Mit dem DAC Universal werden meine Instrumente perfekt gereinigt und gepflegt. Die Prozesse werden dokumentiert und wir sind rechtlich auf der sicheren Seite.
The DAC Universal helps you to achieve optimum hygiene in the practice. Now you can begin treatment with your next patient.